Так, ну сегодня у нас в Мадуне проходят 3 соревнования. Значит, первое соревнование, которое повыше статусом, это открытое первенство ВПО по масс-рейсингу. Так, ну второе, значит, интересное такое соревнование, это у нас проходит первенство Мадуна по борьбе хапсагай для начинающих спортсменов. И у нас третье соревнование, это соревнование городского масштаба по настольному теннису.
Spin around 360, I look around, my whole world's empty. Dive around, completely. I still can't see no one around me. I spin around 360, I look around, my whole world's empty. Dive around completely.
Standing on my own, I'm screaming down the phone. I'm feeling down the phone. Won't you listen to me? In the summertime, I go steady on my own. I'm steady on my own. If you hear me, let me know. I'm steady on my own. I'm steady on my
Yo, I'm trying to make up for the time that's gone. Have I wasted time? Have I took too long? Something's not right, have I put a foot wrong? Explain to me what's going on. Cause I used to have friends oh so close. Cracks in my friendship left man bro. This ain't an emotion I ain't wanna show, but it's hard when you're standing alone. I think I'm in need of a healing touch. I got faith that I still got luck, but positive vibes just won't stay stuck. For me this is all too much.
standing on my own. I'm screaming down the phone. I'm feeling down the phone. Won't you listen to me? I'm standing on my own. I'm standing on my own.
I'm speaking out, so hear me
I'm
out.
standing on my own.
Nobody's reaching out, I'm freaking out.
Hear me, let me know.
I'm speaking out, so hear me out.
I'm standing on my
Can you hear me shouting out? Yo, I'm trying to make up for the days I've missed. Open my eyes, not close my lids. Told me this here's one of them tricks. Didn't even get no goodbye kiss. Nah, this is way too weird. Cause before I had no say, everything was cool at first. Now I'm shaking, way too scared. Nah, don't leave me here. My heart beats racing, feed me air. Back is hurting, the left no chair.
Standing on my own.